Okay, so we're going to be talking today about how to cast on using Judy's Magic Cast On, and we're going to be constructing this part of the heel, and it's right around here. So we're going to be using Judy's Magic Cast On to knit all the way around here, knit here, turn it, knit here, and then come back in the other direction and knit as if it were a flat piece. So we're only going to be connecting 1/2 of the circle. And you see how it looks here? Now this was an old slipper pattern where it had the purl bumps. I had not figured out how to make these knit stitches easily. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So you take your circular needles and you have them in your right hand and they're pointing toward the left. You are going to be casting on a different number of stitches. I have to use a smaller amount because I need to show you the technique and get it done in a timely fashion. So I have my tail going toward my tummy, and I have my working yarn here, and it's on the needle that's farthest toward the wall, okay? And you just give that a little twist. And then when you're casting on, your index finger loads the bottom needle and your thumb loads the top needle. So we have 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, and then there's 9 on this needle and 10 on this needle. And for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead and stop now. So 10 on the top needle and 9 on the bottom needle. So now I'm going to take the 2 yarns and bring them through the center and flip it over. And if you look, now my thumb is on the bottom here. And that's not right because the index finger needs to load the bottom needle. So we're going to flip it. See how I flip that? And then I'm going to carefully hold it, and this right hand needle is going to be where the beginning of the round, okay? And the left hand needle is going to be the end of the round. So we have that like that. So now we have, let's check it and make sure this top one is done. So now we're going to be doing 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Now we're all cast on. Now this yarn comes from the working yarn. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's all good. So there's your tail, and this is my working yarn that I'm going to be working from. And you see it's right here on this stitch, but you just go ahead and pull your right hand needle out, and you would go ahead and make a stitch with that, and just kind of snug it up, and then take it off, and then knit that one, and take that one off, and then knit that one. See how they're all knit stitches? Now look at this needle. This one right here is a little bit funky. It's like on there twisted. So I want you to put it on so it's not. So you can see the purl bump there. See how I flipped it? Let me do that again so that you can see it. Okay, here it is. It's wrong. Now I'm going to flip it back so the left hand leg is in the front. See, it's actually like that. Okay? Then I'm going to knit. I'm going to knit the rest to the end of that needle. Okay, so I'll go ahead and knit. And this will be the bottom of the foot here. Okay. So then you have it knit there. You bring your working needle around here. See how the purl bumps are nice? Otherwise you would have a whole row of stockinette stitch right in the middle of there, and it wouldn't look good. Oops, okay, don't need that. Okay, now I'm going to pull my working needle out, and I'm going to go ahead and knit again to the end of the round. And here's the part I want to see you to see after you're done. I'm going to show you one more round of this Judy's Magic Cast On so you can see the first 2 rounds of what I'm doing, and then you'll understand. Now, of course, when you're doing the pattern, see, this one's good. That one looks good. That's a knit stitch. It was just that one that was kind of funny. Okay, this is where you turn it. Okay? This is the beginning of the round. This is the end of the round. So then, if you're going to maintain that, oops, one second. On the pattern, let me show you something. On the pattern here, it's the last stitches would be slipped. and they would be slipped with yarn and back. Almost forgot to show you that I-cord edge. Okay, see how your working yarn is 3 stitches away? Not to worry. Don't you worry. You just purl it. Okay? Purl it, and you'll see the I-cord start to develop. Or the slip stitch edge, whatever you want to call it. So then I'll just knit on here. And I'll show you when I get around the other side how your slipper is going to be forming. Of course, you're going to have more of a pattern than just garter stitch, but it'll show you what to do in your pattern notes. I just want you to understand what I'm doing with the cast on so that you're not confused. Oh dear, I got a mess here. 1 second. Okay. Now, I'm going around here and just knitting. Okay. And remember, at the end of the round, we're going to be slipping those last 3 stitches. So, we're going to look at them. And these are purl stitches, so you would slip it with yarn toward me, because guess what? When you turn it over this way, see my stitches starting to form? You have your garter stitch edge, and then right here it's 3 stitches away. Not to worry, just knit them, okay? And then you would follow your pattern. So here's your edge that's developing, and here's your garter stitch, and right here would be the bottom of the foot. Okay? So that's how you'd use Judy's Magic Cast On to cast on for the back of your heels on the Mrs. Hupp's slipper pattern.